Well, Juan, I saw this car driving in, and I couldn't believe it. I haven't seen one of these for years. It's a 1979 Honda Civic.
Right,
It's actually your son's car, right?
right.
Unbelievable. Has it been restored? I mean, it looks like showroom. It looks like it came from the dealer.
It is.
But did he restore it?
Yes.
He did. Paint?
He paint. Yeah.
How about the interior? Is that original?
Yes.
Wow. Now, again, I haven't seen one of these for ages. Are there any more on the island?
I don't think so. No, I don't think
It's the only one?
it's the only one.
Do people like it when they see it?
Oh yeah, they go crazy.
Well, they're cute and they're so little. They're just tiny.
Yeah,
But-
economic.
Economy car, yeah.
Wow.
And it says 26,000 miles. Is that?
That's good, right?
Wow. You even have Honda floor mats. I love that. But there wasn't too much of an interior there. It was just 2 gauge pods and
That's it.
that was it.
Yeah.
Wow. I love the color of it. I like the tan interior. Was this red stripe original?
Yeah.
It came that way.
Yes,
That's-
yeah, come that way.
Wow. I mean, overall, this thing looks brand new. I can't believe it. Now, what's the engine in this car?
It's 1200.
1200?
Yeah.
Well, can we have a look at that?
Sure.
Let's go look at it. Wow. Now, has this been rebuilt or anything?
No, just paint.
So it's never been out of the car?
Paint, carburetor, it's repaired.
Wow. Now, where did your son find it? Where did he buy it?
He buy it from custom.
This is a lucky find. I really, I really. Do people like at the show? Do people come and look at it a lot?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a perfect show for us.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It must.
You can't miss it.
You can't miss. It's the only one here.
Yeah, right.
Well, Jose, you've got a beautiful little car. Your son did a nice job.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you
very
for
much.
bringing it out.
Thank you
Just
very much.
beautiful. Look at this. When was the last time you saw one of these? A Honda Civic. Yeah, just